watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars.
Holy crap.
I know, it's like a car. It's like a car. Good morning, K-Divas, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be a video where I receive and unbox my new sewing machine. I have been wanting to get an industrial sewing machine for, I'll say, the last year, but the funds were not really funding until recently. So I got myself the JUKI 8700 industrial sewing machine with a servo motor, which is like the silent motor, and I'm going to be getting it today. It goes for about 589, I think it's 589 on Amazon. That's pounds, so it's kind of like an in-between level price wise if you're looking to grab one for yourself. So I'm going to be receiving it today, going to unbox it, show you guys what it looks like, and I plan to start using that machine more, especially when I have like custom dresses, custom orders for, like, you know, weddings, ashwebi, those like really long painstaking kind of garments. I plan to use that machine, but I might use it for tutorials here and there, and I'll let you guys know how I get along. Okay, if you want to see this machine, because I'm so excited. Okay, calm down, woman, calm down. If you want to see this machine, find out how it feels, how it works, what the setup is like, then keep watching.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. To go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.
She has arrived. She has arrived. She has arrived. It's funny because I wasn't as excited before this thing arrived, and now that it's here, she's here. She has arrived in all of her glory. I am so excited. The machine is here. It arrived not too long ago, and it came already assembled. I think I found that really good, because I was like, if this thing comes and I have to put parts together, I can't. So it's here. I'll give you guys a little closer look of the machine. I had a little test as well. The guy was so kind, even like oiled the machine for us and like told us as much as he knew. But it has arrived. I know it's white and it's blending into the wall, but here's a closer look of the machine. It comes with a thread stand there with two thread things. I only know how to use one for now. I guess I have a lot to learn and a lot to try out. So it's threaded down here. It came already threaded with an extra bobbin on the side. That's where you roll the bobbin. This was the kind of machine we used when I was in fashion school, so I have a little memory of how it works. There is it closer up. Underneath all of that is actually a base with oil. Do you want to show us the oily base, Mas? You can just lift it up.
I will try now.
Okay, at the bottom there, it has a compartment for oiling, and apparently it's self-oiling, so the oil would go up the machine and have all the parts working. It's really heavy, so you can tell all the parts. Most of the parts are metals, because that head alone is almost the same weight as me. But that's what's at the bottom, and once you drop it down, you would be able to conceal the oil base under the machine there. Let's try this out. Pedal is at the bottom, and then there is a black bar here to lift the footer of the machine. Mazuri.
That's true.
This is like leg workout.
Ah, that's cool. For the hips.
Good for the
1,
hips.
2, 3.
Ooh,
You don't need to.
so
I
smooth.
think you don't need to like.
Whoa!
If you.
Oh, that's so fast.
Imagine if you don't.
Here's an even closer look. The model is name, brand name, model number. You control the speed with that red blinky thing there. Threaded across like so. Footer there. It comes also with a compartment with like spare parts, so like spare bobbins, spare needles. I was very excited to get those because I wasn't sure which needle the machine would use. Also comes with an instruction manual and other things in that little drawer. The footer is at the bottom, and then that thing is how you lift the footer of the machine. Okay, let's give this thing a test with different fabric from the one that it came with. So to lift the footer here, underneath, it goes down. Here we go. Wow. It's like butter. Literally like butter. Whoa.
Holy crap.
I know, it's like a car. It's like a car. And to change your stitch length is this one here. So I think you put it on like average, but you can make it a lot smaller. Let's put it down to say 1. You can roll the knob.
Whoa.
Let's put it at 1. So this is where you control the stitch length. So 0 is small, 5 is the longest that it comes with. So I'm going to try it at 1 now and see what the difference is between 3, because this was 3. Ah, okay. What a huge difference. Wow. Which one?
We see when you sew, you see the intensity.
Ah. Oh, this thing is smooth. It's so smooth. So this is it at 5. This is the longest stitch length. Smooth AF. Let's put it down at 3 because 3 seems to be.
Is good.
So this is the longest one. So
This
that's
one is
5.
1.
Yeah, that's 1. I think 1 is too small. I feel like 2 to 3 because this is
1 is
3. I think 1. Imagine unpicking that. You'll be here the whole day. So nope.
Not for me. She looks like more the flowers on SpongeBob.
But it's
Ocean.
cute though. It's actually
Like,
quite cute.
Then you have a
2
little
minutes and this
body.
is what you've done. Like
I don't
wow.
have space for 2 pads. In here.
So far so good. I'm liking it. It feels very smooth. That's the best way I can describe the machine. It sews really quickly. It's quite like easy. Like the knob is not as easy to roll, but it's easy to switch between the stitch lengths. The threading looks pretty straightforward. I haven't tried it yet. Value for money, I would say if you're looking for a machine that does a lot more than a straight stitch, this might not be the one for you. I just wanted something that had the ability to sew quicker. So if I had to make a garment, it would take less time to sew. And the motor is quite quiet. Like my intern is actually sewing as I'm talking, and I bet you can't hear the machine going. So it's quite quiet to have like in a flat, in an apartment where you have neighbors, so you know you're not disturbing your neighbor as you are sewing. But if you want to do buttonholes or anything else fancy, from what I've seen online, you might have to get like an attachment or a footer adapter situation to actually be able to fix buttonholes or do anything extra. but I'm loving this. I'll let you guys know as I go on with time. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And with that being said, have a good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are. Bye.